My innovation is named as Time Domain Moisture Measuring Instrument and Process. Idea came to me while I was in UK and doing my PhD, and actually I was not interested in moisture measurement, but I was doing some simulations of multi-layer dielectrics. So going through different literatures in the UK and the US and the Germany, I got a clue that these simulations can be used for moisture measurement in frequency domain. The novelty in the innovation is its non-destructive nature and its bandwidth. The time domain technology existed for last 30 years with smaller bandwidths. This invention uses a very broadband time domain technology in a non-destructive manner. This block consists of the step source generating a pulse which is sent to the moisture probe. After some time, the pulse returns from the moisture probe, and the time delay of the pulse is proportional to the material surrounding the probe in case of moisture. The returned pulse is sensed by the sampler, and the time of flight is measured with the help of oscilloscope or a PC. The pulse coming from the pulse generator is coupled to the probe with this type of connector, which is a coaxial connector, and on the other side you can see the non-destructive probe. This box will contain the material such as soil or grain, etc. The box will be filled with the material and it will be pressed with this kind of a cover. The pulse will go back at the end of the probe, and then it will again come out of this. The reflected pulse will be sensed by the sampler and the time delay will be measured. So I have got success in this part with the help of NRDC, that is National Research and Development Corporation. The second part is in the implementing the idea and actually bringing it as a reality on earth. So this part was helped by TIP program to me with the financial support.